In this section of my video, again we will be going through the concept of total energy stored in a combination of capacitors. But the type of combination in this is a parallel combination. The important point for you to note after this is that on calculating the expression of total energy in a parallel combination, how it is similar to the concept and the expression of series combination. So in this particular concept, we have connected, as you can observe, that we are connecting a particular capacitors in parallel. Let C1, C2 and C3 are the capacitors which are connected in parallel. Now going through the concept of calculating the total energy, let us suppose the total energy in parallel combination is represented by U, which is expressed as 1 upon 2 Cp into V square, where Cp represents the net capacitance or the total capacitance of a capacitor when you are connecting multiple capacitors in parallel. Therefore, this Cp can be expressed as C1 plus C2 plus C3. Substituting the value of Cp in the above equation, you will get 1 upon 2 C1 plus C2 plus C3 multiplied by V square. Simplifying this expression, you have 1 upon 2 C1 into V square plus 1 upon 2 C2 into V square plus 1 upon 2 C3 into V square, where V is the constant potential, because you can observe that the capacitors are being connected in parallel. So here V represents the constant potential in this particular concept. After simplifying, if you observe that you are getting U equals to 1 upon 2 C1 V square plus 1 upon 2 C2 V square plus 1 upon 2 C3 into V square. If half C1 V square represents the energy of first capacitor, half C2 V square represents energy of second capacitor, and half C3 into V square represents the energy of third capacitor, then you can express it as U equals to U1 plus U2 plus U3. Here U1 is representing the first, U2 is representing the energy of second, and U3 is representing the energy of third. As you have just calculated that the net energy in the parallel combination is again the summation of their individual energies. That is, in order to calculate the net energy in the parallel combination, what we are doing, we are simply calculating the individual energies and summing all them to get the net energy. Reviewing the concept of series combination, which we have also calculated the same. So the logic which is being correlated from the series and parallel combination is that whether you are connecting capacitors in series or whether you are connecting your capacitors in parallel, the total energy will always be the sum of their individual energies. That is, the total energy remains the same, U1 plus U2 plus U3, depending upon the number of capacitors which are being connected in the combination. So I hope you have understood this topic well, this concept well. We have also correlated the concept of series and parallel. So just go through it. It is an important concept. Thank you.